Went in like 50 watts. Pretty sure it's because we got snow on the solar panel. You can see everything's bright out here. Look at this ice scraper out the truck. They're not really protected. So hopefully this one's working. It's like, I don't know what time it is. It's not bad because we're already at 71%. Layla. Yeah, you're over there laying in the hay. Puff. There you go, boy. These chickens be stupid. Watching over the lambs. They was out here being loud. Sonny, it's gonna be crazy.
It's so warm.
Water off the roof. It's melting.
We're heading to the post office. Yeah, so it's like really wet place we lived at. And it's so we'll see how this goes Saturday now. It's so because I had to do
and then I just hang on to it. I already gave her the address once before. Okay. At any post office.
we got it. But yes, we got it. Yes, and then it's done. Like I wouldn't even have brought in 2 forms of ID because I would have needed to bring my social security card.
So it's pretty sunny, but we're only pulling in like 50 watts. Pretty sure it's because we got snow on the solar panel. Get the snow cleared off. You can see everything's bright out here. Those are the solar panels. Covered in snow. So hopefully we clear them off. Get some more power. I don't know too if hopefully it's still connected. Get this ice scraper out the truck. On. Ice scraper. I need a stick. That one's harder to get off. There's a lot of ice on it. Look at that one, somewhat cleared. We need to get better connections for the wires, because they're not really protected that well. So hopefully it still works pretty good. I'm gonna need to get like a little tubing, some kind of covering to put over the wires. See if that made a difference. We should be getting more solar power. Let's see. That one's still covered up. Yeah, that one pretty well uncovered. So we'll see if the Blue Eddy's getting in any more watts. It was at like 50. Each solar panel is a 350 watt solar panel, so should be getting at least like 300 watts daylight today. Let's see. Yeah. So now it's pulling in 213 watts, which isn't bad. We could do a lot better. So now I'm gonna uncover this one and make sure. So I know, at least now I know that one's working. It's still kind of early in the morning, so the sun isn't completely fully out. It looks like it's out all the way, but it's not at its peak. It's around 12 to 2 o'clock. That's when the sun will reach its peak. So 200 watts coming from that one ain't bad. Hopefully if this one's working, it'll increase. Because even though they're 350 watt solar panels don't really usually ever reach their rating, their potential. I don't know why they never actually reach that amount. Like on a really good day, they might be like at 350 or 320. I mean 300 or 320 watts. With it being so sunny, I would imagine we can get a decent amount of solar. I can barely see. Things broke. What the heck? So I got the solar panels cleaned off. Super bright out here. I think it's like, I don't know what time it is. It's 10:40 right now. So we'll check and see how many watts we're pulling in now. Even though it's cold and snowing, it's still sunny. It's power, energy. So now you see we're pulling in. Get this cord out of the way. Yeah. So now you see we're pulling in 460 watts. So it's not bad, especially for it to still be the morning time. Probably around 12 to 2 o'clock, we'll be pulling in a lot more. So hopefully at least 600 watts. But either way, that'll be enough, more than enough for us to get enough power for today. Because we're already at 71%. So, yeah. It's so bright out here. I can barely open my eyes. It's crazy. Layla, get out of here. So I got the sheep water. Give the dog some food. Can barely see. But yeah, Blue is over there laying in the hay. So yeah. Huh, Layla, you hungry? Sit. Yeah. Pa. Pa. Yeah. You do that, Layla. Blue's little. There you go, boy. Your chickens being annoying. Messing with Layla. These chickens be stupid.
The next day.
Yeah, getting some dog food.
Yes.
I'm about to give the sheep this little mineral block. It's cold out here.
Blue looks like a polar bear.
Yeah, Blue, a polar bear over here, watching over the lambs. He heard the lambs bleating earlier.
Aww.
Oh, he looked like he better pee.
They're sniffing each other.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Look, she leaning by him.
Yeah, Blue, you protect her.
He's a guardian, though. He is a good guardian. He heard the lamb crying. They was out here being loud. He walked over. Blue is curious. Look at Blue over there. Yeah, the lambs. You heard the lamb whining.
Oh.
You got I think is that Esther?
Who, walking?
Or Leia over there?
That looks like Leo.
Yeah, maybe it's Leia. I be thinking it's her lamb. She had a lamb because the lambs be with her.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
I don't know.
She don't be mean to her. Look at Blue over here.
They look so graceful moving in the snow.
Yeah. They all getting curious now because Blue.
Oh. Yeah,
Got them over here.
Bluey.
Oh boy. But yeah. So I'm gonna give him this little mineral block. It's cold out here. It's supposed to be warming up though the next few days. It's gonna go from this to freezing to like 60s, almost 70 degrees.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be sunny. It's gonna be crazy. Storm weather coming. But yeah. They're like this. I'm putting the shelter so they can eat on that when they're sitting in there. So what?
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of ice in the truck.
Oh.
The water froze.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
In the truck.
Oh yeah, I want to sit him over here. Thanks, Yvonne. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name correctly.
Yvonne.
Yeah, is it Yvonne?
I feel like Yvonne.
Yvonne for the coveralls.
And they got her coveralls on. Yeah, I forgot somebody got that for you.
They're dirty, but I got good use out of them. Literally the first day I got them.
Yeah, they come in handy.
Yeah, and they're so warm. It's so warm too. It's nice.
Yeah. Their water is frozen. Drinking water off the roof. It's melting.
A few hours later.
All right, so we're heading to the post office. I made a request to change the address, so we can start getting mail sent here and everything sent here with the post office. But I don't know, when I tried to go and do it online, they're saying I have to go in person because my driver's license doesn't match. Oh my goodness. Hold on. This is our driveway. It's covered in snow, so you gotta drive crazy.
It's melting too on the...
Yeah, so it's like really wet. Oh my goodness. It's doing better now. Now it's smoother. It's just really the driveway because it's bumpy. But anyway, when I went to change the address, I did it online and everything, but when I did it, when I finished the application and whatever, they're like, you gotta come in person because my driver's license, it doesn't match the last place we lived at. And it's like, come on. Am I being too much? But I don't know when you have to renew your license. It's like every 4 or 5 years. So it's like in that amount of time, an average person is gonna move. Especially if they're paying rent and stuff, but whatever. So Zay's coming with because thankfully on his driver's license it does say the old address. So I'm hoping, since he is a person that lives at this address, I'm hoping that we can use his ID. I feel like it shouldn't be a problem because he also lives there too. So we'll see how this goes. I'm recording everything too, because I don't want to just have bad service. All we're trying to do is just get an address. Come on, this is really stupid now. So we'll see what happens. But it just snowed. It's been, I don't know, it snowed in the beginning of the week. It's Saturday now.
It's Friday.
Oh, Friday. My bad. I'm just so tired, guys.
In the mail saying that you're gonna have to put in a new change of address, just ignore it.
Okay.
Because it's gonna be on that request. Because if you don't verify your identity within so long, the system will automatically delete it.
Oh, yeah.
But with the physical, it'll already go through.
Okay. Okay, that's all we need to know.
I wish I would get that paper earlier. Because I remember writing your name and everything down before, so.
Oh, yeah.
That's where it helps that I've talked to you before, so that I can say, yes, this is the actual person that's putting this in.
Yeah.
They just kind of gotten more strict on change of addresses. I guess people were doing change of addresses when they shouldn't have been.
I guess so, because I had to do this before, but I never had to fill out a physical card.
Yeah, you can usually
I could just do it all online.
Yeah, and it would charge you like $1 or
Yeah.
put $1 on
They
it.
still charged me that, but
Yeah.
yeah.
This is just the less hassle way of doing it, especially in these like smaller towns like Bowling.
Yeah.
It's just easier. Because I know I had a girl, she put in a change of address and they were saying that she had to do it again. I was like, I literally verified that. And I also print the paper off with it. And then I keep the copy of the confirmed paper showing that it was confirmed, that it went through. And then I just hang on to it until the change of address comes in.
Okay.
And with you being like on the route, I'll leave a copy for the carrier so she can leave it at Peyton.
Okay. Do you know like how long this process takes? Like
usually like from here it's gotta it'll go to Oklahoma City, and from Oklahoma City to Kansas. So I would say at least within a week it should be fine. And with me putting this in, if you do wind up getting any mail for that address, the carrier will have that on their case because they'll be adding it, which I think she already did because I already gave her the address once before.
Okay.
So it should already be on the case, so it shouldn't be a problem getting it delivered.
All right. That's great.
Yeah.
This is just the last process of getting our address.
Yeah, it's a nightmare.
Yes.
If you don't already have an address established.
Yes. And you guys close at 4:30?
Yeah.
That's what it says.
And then Saturdays, I'm here from 8 to 10. It says 8:30 to 9:45, but if I'm here, I still kind of leave the window open, or if you have to pick up a package or anything here. If that black Avalanche isn't out there, or there's a little white Toyota Corolla car, those are both my vehicles. If they're here, I'll get your package or whatever. Or if you have like a letter or something you have to pick up.
How about I messed up and say how much?
Oh, yeah, to put in the old address?
Yeah, I was thinking I'll
Yeah, I'd have to look that up because I can't remember all of it.
Yeah, I know on the identity verification, if you go to RSS office, you have to have like your driver's license, and you have to have some kind of secondary ID. And
yeah, it was a lot on there.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I didn't think we were going to be able to get it done today. I just wanted to know the next steps. What to do.
Well, and 3 zeros. This is the direct line to this post office, so if you have any questions about anything, you can call that number, and it'll come directly here instead of you having to call the 800 number and then wait forever.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Because you just talked to like a robot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they say if you stay on there long enough, it'll finally transfer you to an office. But I was like, people don't have 15, 20 minutes to stay on hold for it to be sent. So I just kind of give the direct line number to here.
That's nice to have.
Even though they tell me not to, but I'm like, you know what? If it was me, I would want a direct line, so I don't have to do that. So
I didn't know if you stayed online. It seemed like it was just a robot and that was it.
I think it takes like 15 to 20 minutes before it finally forwards you through to an office.
That's crazy.
Whereas that one, you're gonna get a real person. You'll get me, or if I'm not here, whoever's working.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you.
Yeah.
I also didn't know you could do to change your address, like paper copy. I didn't know that either.
Yeah, you can do that at any post office.
Oh, okay. We won't be moving anytime soon, but just in case, it's good to know.
Yeah. I think it took about a week from the time that I sent hers off until the change of address finally showed up on our system. So I'd say at least give it 7 days.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice having this. So now we'll get our mail and everything.
Yeah.
Is that it?
All right. I'll get you verified.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you.
Y'all have a good one.
You too. We got it. Yeah. All right. Sorry about the weird angles and everything. That was just all happening fast, and I didn't want her to see us recording, so that's why it looked like that. But yes, we got it. Yeah. I'm glad that was easy. I didn't know that when you change your address, you could do it like a paper document. I didn't know that.
I've seen that before.
I just never had to do it that way because.
Mailbox one time like that or something.
Oh yeah, I didn't even know that you could do that. I would usually just do it online because I've had to do this a lot. So usually you just go online, change your address, and then it's done. Like, I don't know why, but I guess I don't know if the video picked that up. She was saying they're being harder about the change of address because I don't know. I guess people are identity theft, maybe. I don't really know, but yeah, I'm just glad she's able to do it because what she was saying. Also, I don't know if that was picked up. What she was saying, she's like, you need 2 forms of ID, this, and that. Yeah. It was saying that in the email. I wasn't expecting to get our address changed. I was expecting to get more information because the email didn't make sense. And I'm like, I'm glad we don't have to go through that because first off, I forgot my purse, so I don't even have my driver's license. And then second off, I wouldn't even have brought in 2 forms of ID because I would have needed to bring my social security card, or Zay would have to
go back because you gotta get your purse.
Do we need it? Where are we going though? You don't have your wallet?